Dabble, D-A-B-B-L-E. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to work or involve oneself in something superficially or without serious intent. Example sentence, she liked to dabble in painting, trying different techniques without committing to any particular style. Synonyms, tinker, experiment, play around, dabble in. Antonym, specialize, commit, focus. Dainty, D-A-I-N-T-Y. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, delicately small and pretty, pleasingly delicate or refined. Example sentence, she served a tray of dainty pastries at the tea party. Synonyms, delicate, exquisite, elegant, refined. Antonym, clumsy, coarse, rough, inelegant. Dais, D-A-I-S. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a raised platform or stage for speakers or honored guests. Example sentence, the guest speaker stood on the dais to deliver her speech. Synonyms, platform, podium, rostrum, stage. Antonym, floor, ground, lower level. Dally, D-A-L-L-Y. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to waste time, loiter, or engage in frivolous activity. Example sentence, instead of working, he would often dally around the office, chatting with colleagues. Synonyms, procrastinate, linger, idle, waste time. Antonym, focus, work, hurry, hasten. Damn, D-A-M-N. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to condemn or express strong disapproval of something or someone. Example sentence, she couldn't help but damn the rude behavior of her coworker. Synonyms, condemn, criticize, denounce, censure. Antonym, praise, commend, applaud, approve. Dank, D-A-N-K. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, unpleasantly damp, moist, or chilly. Example sentence, the basement had a dank and musty smell. Synonyms, moist, damp, humid, wet. Antonym, dry, arid, parched. Dapper, D-A-P-P-E-R. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, neat, stylish, and well-dressed. Example sentence, he looked dapper in his tailored suit and polished shoes. Synonyms, smart, stylish, fashionable, debonair. Antonym, sloppy, untidy, unkempt. Dappled, D-A-P-P-L-E-D. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, marked or spotted with patches of a different shade or color. Example sentence, the dappled sunlight filtered through the leaves of the trees. Synonyms, spotted, speckled, mottled, flecked. Antonym, uniform, solid, unmarked.
Copyright, Cogent Insights.
Dart, D-A-R-T. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to move or run suddenly and rapidly in a particular direction. Example sentence, the squirrel darted across the path and disappeared into the trees. Synonyms, dash, sprint, rush, bolt. Antonym, creep, crawl, saunter, stroll. Daub, D-A-U-B. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to spread or smear, a substance, thickly or carelessly. Example sentence, the kids like to daub paint on large sheets of paper. Synonyms, smear, spread, plaster, coat. Antonym, remove, clean, erase. Daunt, D-A-U-N-T. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to make someone feel intimidated or apprehensive. Example sentence, the daunting task of climbing Mount Everest scared him. Synonyms, intimidate, discourage, dishearten, frighten. Antonym, encourage, embolden, motivate, inspire. Dauntless, D-A-U-N-T-L-E-S-S. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, fearless and undaunted, showing no fear in the face of difficulty or danger. Example sentence, the dauntless firefighter entered the burning building to save lives. Synonyms, fearless, courageous, bold, brave. Antonym, fearful, timid, cowardly, apprehensive. Dawdle, DAWDLE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to waste time or be slow, to loiter or linger aimlessly. Example sentence, we'll be late if you continue to dawdle along the way. Synonyms, procrastinate, linger, delay, idle. Antonym, hurry, hasten, accelerate, rush. DAZE, DAZE. Part of speech, verb/noun. Meaning, to stun or bewilder, causing a state of confusion or disorientation. Example sentence, the sudden news left her dazed and unable to comprehend. Synonyms, stun, bewilder, confuse, astonish. Antonym, clear, focus, clarify, orient. Dazzle, DAZZLE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to impress or amaze greatly, usually with brightness or brilliance. Example sentence, the sparkling fireworks display dazzled the crowd. Synonyms, amaze, impress, astound, bewitch. Antonym, disappoint, bore, dull, underwhelm.